my little Cochin babies. My rooster I'm kind of impressed with. He's starting to learn that, you know, you need to call the girls, impress the girls, do the dance. So, whoo, we got good stuff. Nummy, nummy, nummies. Kind of amazing. I probably need to pull grass for the bucks a lot more than I do. I mean, I keep mine up in their cages, in their coops, for several reasons. One is safety. There are a lot of foxes and things in this area that like chicken. Several of the neighbors have lost complete flocks and had to start over. And so far, cross my fingers, our security measures have been doing pretty good. Come here, Mama. Come here. Hey. See if I can get him to eat from my hand. But anyways, I try to give him the wild, as much of the wild as I can. I bring bugs and I bring all kinds of things. Hey, look what I got. Nobody's interested in me. My husband keeps telling me that I'm going to get bored with my chickens. I don't think so. Maybe in 20 or 30 years, but then he'll give in. Listen to him. He's trying to tell the girls. Yeah, you got goodies, huh? Tell them girls. You got them girls. These guys are just so cute. Well, that is your multiple chick flick of the day.